And tonight we're doing a one-nighter up in North Georgia, meeting up with my buddy JC. And it's about 60 degrees, got the doors off the Jeep. Things get down to maybe high 40s, low 50s, but it should be a good time. Let's go. Gonna do a quick walk around. Again, 2023 Rubicon, 4-inch ready lift with Falcon 3.3 shocks. On a 40 1350 17 fuel ammo wheel. Got the doors off. Haven't camped with all the doors. Kind of got to fit everything in the bed so it doesn't fall out the door when you make a sharp turn. So that was a little had to play packing Tetris, but should be good. Got my propane tank, water, little tow strap, the famous coffee box here, fishing pole, Pittman Outdoors tent. I have a kitchen box, linens box, so sleeping bag, pillow, blankets, Blackstone cooler, chair, and pop-up fire pit, chainsaw. On this side, fire extinguisher, axe, shovel. There she is. We made it to the phone booth, guys. Probably a quarter of the way up. We're probably halfway to the top. There's a few wet spots, nothing crazy. It hasn't rained that much over the last week, so just taking it easy. All right, guys, so we made it up the trail to our spot. Check this out. What? Look at that opening. It's kind of foggy today, so I don't get a good view, but I'm gonna show you. guys, so we're doing pizza on the Blackstone. Haven't done this before. So I'm using a Stonefire pizza crust. We got some sausage and some onion on here. I'm gonna put some cheese on and let it melt. We also have pepperoni, bacon. I heard the trick was to cover it with the pan to let the cheese melt. So that's what we're doing. That looks pretty freaking good, guys. Just a couple minutes with the hood on. Let's check that crust. Oh yeah. Time to pull it off. And we're gonna hit it with that hot honey. Good morning. A little bit hazy again this morning. Slept good. Temperatures probably low 50s. Had a good night. Got this fire back rolling. Gonna have some coffee and might go trout fishing. While the coffee's cooking, wanted to show you guys the inside of the tent. If you haven't seen the Pittman video, go watch that one. This thing has lights, powered by a little power bank. You can adjust the brightness, things like that. Nice memory foam mattress and anti-condensation mat. I got my Big Agnes sleeping bag, a couple pillows, and a rumple. So it needs a little bit extra warmth. But overall, had a good night in here. Cheers. What's up, guys? As I said, it's super foggy this morning. Couldn't get the drone in the air. We woke up though, had some breakfast tacos. Got packed up and gonna see if we can go catch some trout. This trail is super tight in a couple spots. You're definitely gonna get some pinstripes, but if you roll around with no doors, no pinstripes.